As a trader, financial freedom should be your ultimate goal. You can achieve that, but there is only one way for it. Learn how to trade correctly and master your mind. Not the markets, you have to master your mind. It's impossible to master the markets. And those of you who don't know, I have more than 12 years of experience trading the financial markets. I'm a trading coach, and we have the strongest trading community in the world. You might have wasted years searching for the holy grail forex strategy, the best indicator, the best course, the ultimate EA, or the secret sauce. It's all waste of time and money. Succeeding in trading requires two things only. One, learn how to trade correctly from the best, and two, master your mind and find your own balance. That's very, very important to understand. This is what I always tell my traders, and the results, thousands of successful traders. Now, the link to our unique wave analysis concept is in the first comment or in the bio. Check it now before you scroll to the next video.